If you use baking soda with unhealthy food, it can actually harm your health. That's why I prepared this to help prevent serious health issues and brain damages. I will tell you about foods that are the worst matches with baking soda and 3 that are the best matches. Hello everyone. It's your Dr. Luna here. Haven't you subscribed yet? Please subscribe and hit the like button right now. Share widely with your loved ones and please introduce Dr. Luna to others. I will continue to bring you the best health information. Attention, food enthusiasts! While baking soda is a versatile kitchen staple, it with certain foods can pose serious health risks, including an increased risk of cancer and dementia. Let's uncover which foods should never be paired with baking soda. First on the list, shellfish. Despite its culinary appeal, when shellfish like shrimp, lobster, or crab are cooked with baking soda, chemical reactions can occur, leading to the formation of harmful compounds known as heterocyclic amines, HCAs. Studies suggest that regular consumption of foods containing HCAs may elevate cancer risk. Processed meats. Cooking processed meats, such as bacon, sausage, or deli meats, with baking soda can lead to the formation of nitrosamines, carcinogenic compounds associated with various types of cancer, including colorectal cancer. Exercise. In conclusion, to safeguard your health, refrain from using baking soda with shellfish, high-sugar pastries, and processed meats to mitigate the risk of cancer and dementia. Remember, mindful cooking choices are essential for maintaining overall well-being. So we're talking about baking soda and its remarkable partnership with 3 of the best vegetables out there. Looking to infuse your favorite vegetable dishes with an extra punch of health benefits? Enter baking soda. Let's delve into 3 top vegetable recipes and discover how incorporating baking soda can elevate both flavor and wellness. First on our list, roasted Brussels sprouts. Sprinkling a bit of baking soda over these bite-sized greens before roasting helps to caramelize their natural sugars, resulting in a crisp and flavorful exterior. Additionally, the alkaline properties of baking soda may help reduce acidity and ease digestive discomfort often associated with cruciferous vegetables. Next up, creamy mashed potatoes. Adding a pinch of baking soda to the boiling water before cooking the potatoes can help break down their cell walls, resulting in a smoother and creamier texture. Not only does this enhance the mouthfeel of the dish, but it also aids in digestion by neutralizing excess acidity. Tangy tomato salad. A light sprinkle of baking soda over sliced tomatoes helps to balance their acidity, enhancing their natural sweetness and juiciness. This simple trick not only elevates the flavor profile of the salad, but also offers potential digestive benefits by reducing acid reflux symptoms. Incorporating baking soda into these top 3 vegetable recipes not only enhances taste, but also offers a range of health benefits. From improving texture to aiding digestion, baking soda is a versatile ingredient that can take your veggie delights to the next level of flavor and wellness. I hope you'll take good care of your health by wisely choosing what to pair with baking soda. Thank you so much for spending time with us. If you found today's video help, please don't forget to subscribe and like it, and please share it with your precious family and friends. I will always pray for your health and happiness. This has been Dr. Luna. Thank you.